So today the captain and I made breakfast. This was some French toast. We coated in Captain Crunch, put it onto the Blackstone, and made something absolutely wonderful. We're going to show you just what we did. Hey, so if it's time for breakfast, it's time for the captain. Loved the captain when I was a kid, and we're going to make up some French toast using the captain. So for step one, I've got some bacon that we're going to cook up because we're going to use this as part of our garnish. And who doesn't love bacon? Got the Blackstone over here all heated up. Love the smell of some bacon in the morning. That's going to add to the goodness of this French toast. While that bacon is cooking away, we're going to get started with our ingredients. So we're going to toss in 3 eggs. And we've got a cup of milk. We've got about a half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and I also put a little bit of nutmeg in there. And we've got about a teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna mix this all up. That's looking good, so we're gonna set all this aside, and now we're going to get busy with the captain. So we want this to be crushed up a little bit, so we're going to put this into a plastic bag, hit it with a rolling pin to make it kind of fine. I always had a love-hate relationship with the captain. It was wonderful, it was tasty, but it always really caused problems with the roof of my mouth. So we don't want that to happen here. So that's why we're gonna make sure that this is crunched up pretty well. We'll call it Captain Crush. There we go. Now we're just going to take this mixture, pour it right in there. So what we've got here is a Texas toast. So it's really nice and thick. I'm going to drop it in here. Make sure we get a good coating on there. And then into the captain. Nice coating. We're going to try to get that on all 4 sides. And that goes onto the flat top. Pat that in there. I think our bacon is finished. Moving that over to right where our bacon was. That is looking really good there. We don't want to burn it, so we're not going to give it too much time. We'll check it here. So they're there on the Blackstone. We've got one of them that sat in the liquid for quite a while, so that one obviously toasted up quite a bit faster. Gonna keep an eye on these and then bring them out to plate them and serve them. A little bit of powdered sugar on there. And we're going to add some great whipped cream. A few nice fresh blueberries on there. And we're going to top it off with some wonderful bacon. There it is. There's your Captain Crunch French toast. Let's go in and give that a taste. Got some bacon on there. Nice little bite with a blueberry. Got some of that whipped cream on there. Some bacon. It's like I'm a kid again, eating my Captain Crunch, watching Saturday morning cartoons. That is wonderful. This is so sweet you don't even need any syrup. But no judgment if you want to add that. Hey, if you like what I'm cooking up here, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, give it a thumbs up also. Got a lot of different videos out here on my channel on different things that you can cook. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, sandwiches, appetizers, desserts, all kinds of stuff. So hopefully that'll inspire you to go out and cook something great in your backyard this weekend. So from Barbecue Plus and the Captain, thanks for watching.